everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeva, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 different recipes for the strengthening of your hair. So if you have any hair problems such as hair fallout, hair thinning, hair breakage, you just want to see your hair much more healthier, more glossier, more strengthened, this is the video for you. It is super important to take care of our hair, to take care of our manes. Even me wearing this headscarf, it doesn't mean that I don't take care of my hair and my scalp. When I go out and about, I wear this, but at home I don't. I always want to have that me time and really pamper myself. These recipes are super easy to make and the ingredients are easy to find. So let's start making the potions.
You don't hear it. Got time for thoughts to rise. Now it's going into overdrive. Still no message past my bedtime. I am trying not to analyze. On my phone, waiting on. You're not coming by. Don't let me down. Don't let me fall. Just stay around. Don't want us falling back to that. You're stepping out. I see you go. I'm crying out. Well, you're too far, so you don't hear it.
Searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? Do-do-do-do. What would I do? Do-do-do-do. Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen. I found a little note saying I'll be back soon. Relief came with a little breath. With nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do? Do-do-do-do. What do I do? Do-do-do-do. Lucky me, it was only a dream within a dream. It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was haunting me. The last bite, the last memory of our last night, as I watched you walk away from me. How could I let you leave? How could I let you leave? What do I do? sun was peeking its head into the room. Border collie sleeping at the foot of the bed, but still I couldn't find you. What do I do? What do I do? Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare.
So those are all the 5 recipes to choose from. You can choose any one of them that you like, or you can even try it all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
Find you.